Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Wednesday, May 26th. For today, we are continuing on with our SEL choice boards. Those are going to be due on Sunday. So let's talk a little bit about our SEL choice boards that we will be finishing and concluding today. Again, they are located in your Google Classroom. You have to just use the directions and choose one option from the choice board. You guys are going to have templates on our choice boards to choose from. So just choose one of the following. You can choose either activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, or activity 4, just one, and highlight the one you want to do. Then just complete it, follow the instructions and the directions per each activity. So if you chose activity 1, put what your name is, a picture of you, list your top 5 strengths. These can be one-word answers or sentences, and then how you have demonstrated your strengths of each one, and how they help you become a better scholar. Really unpack that, ladies and gentlemen. How do they help you become a better student? How do these strengths really apply in school? Activity 2, mindful listening. You're just going to listen to this recording and you're going to follow directions and see if you can create the image that is described. You may draw on paper or online if you like. Make sure to upload your picture above and complete the reflection. This is your reflection, these 4 questions, okay? It's not too hard, ladies and gentlemen. Activity 3, just write a comic and a story about a time that you or somebody around you showed you kindness. For your comic, if you have the pictures, you can kind of upload a series of pictures. If you want to draw it, you can draw it. If you want to find images from Google that kind of represent that story, you can do that too. So, passing the kindness on. And then leveling up your skills. So just create a short video of you cooking, reading, writing, whatever your favorite skill or hobby is. And in the reflection page, write about what you want to improve for that hobby. Do you want to try a new recipe? Do you want to learn how to play the guitar better? Do you want to learn how to do an ollie? What are some skills and hobbies that you want to work on a little bit? This kind of ties into last week's summer postcard where we wrote about our goals. You can go ahead and write about that. Alright, so we're just going to be wrapping that up today and talking about how do you plan your goals and how you guys work through your goals. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be it for today. As always, if you have any questions or need more information, reach out to me, reach out to Ms. Arroyo, and we will help you out. Other than that, I will see you guys in class.